Welcome Apartment Therapy. My name's Emily Regina. This is my studio apartment in Brooklyn, New York. Come on in. I live here with my boyfriend Espen. We've been here for about 5 months. It's approximately 180 square feet. This is my entryway. When you first walk in, you can take your shoes off using these awesome stadium chairs, which are actually my favorite element of the space. The kitchen area, as you can see, there is a limited cabinet space, so I added this rolling kitchen island. It doubles as kitchen work prep as well as it holds everything we need storage wise. I really utilize vertical storage a lot here so I could get things off of the countertops. It really helps tidy up the floor space and keeps everything organized and functional. I love this couch. One of the things we splurged on was actually the couch. We wanted it to be cozy and comfortable. It is still secondhand, but it's a higher quality piece and we love it. The bedroom area, we really wanted it to be far away from the kitchen area as much as possible, so I tucked it in this little nook. It is a little tight, but it works for the space. I also have my office here behind me. It functions for what I need. Again, it's a little tight, but I didn't want to compromise on giving up an office space in our tiny studio. Our proudest DIY was an all-hands-on-deck effort, which was the backyard space. Unfortunately, when we first moved in, it was like a jungle out there. There was weeds everywhere, like 7 feet tall, so we had to go in, rip all the weeds out. We added turf and rocks and a fire pit, and we're able to have movie nights, hang out on a hammock, and just really enjoy the space. It was great having you guys. Thanks for stopping by.